Hello everyone. So today let me show you something in response to a question which I answered on the community. Now we all know about this option here to add a new subtask, and I believe there is a similar option for adding a new story or a task under an epic. So basically, when you are looking at this story, or in fact any standard issue type, you may want to add something under it, right? Now you can of course click on the plus, and you can then click on or basically just enter the subtask summary and press enter. This is great because now we are able to quickly create the subtask, which is I like it, but at the same time I believe you may want to have a pop-up, and that was a question on the community because if you want a pop-up where you want to capture some additional fields, I guess that is the only use case, because you can always go back to the I think there are two use cases. Number one, you want to capture something for sure, or maybe you want to present that particular form so that user can fill in those details even if they are not really mandatory. So this is possible, and let me show you how. So what you need to do, you need to basically go to your project settings, and when you go to project settings, you can go to field configuration. So basically what we are going to do, it is not really ideal. There is no way to enable that pop-up, because if you don't really have any mandatory field, then the issue will only take the only input would be the summary, right? So let us say you have some fields that you want to capture for sure. So you can actually make it as a required field, and I'm trying to find the field configuration. Yes, this is the one. So just go to field configuration, and what I will do, I'll just modify the default field configuration because I don't really have any other field configuration. So let me just use one field called single select list. I have a field with this name. Don't judge me. So I need to click on this required, and we are done. And if I go back to the issue, and if I now try to add a new subtask, let us see how it works. So new subtask, press enter, and now it will basically present this pop-up. I can try to create, but it will ask me to fill in this mandatory single select list. So this is how it will work. We can also do one thing. Let us say you have one more issue type of type subtask. So subtask is of course the name of the issue type, but subtask is also basically the type of subtask, or type of issue. So let us see what we can do. So let me modify the issue type scheme, and let me also add a test case, and I need to click on the button, I believe. Yeah, save. Now if I go back to the same story, and if I try to create a new subtask, let us see what happens. So basically now it will give us two options. So this is good. I like it. I mean, at least the behavior is consistent, right? And this is what and even you would expect. All right, that is it. I know, short video, but definitely useful, right? Thank you very much.